Start Your Own Business, a beginner's guide for Black women. Yes, today I need to talk directly to my Black queens. And let me tell you, it's because I get a lot of DMs, a lot of instant messages on Facebook and IG and TikTok. All right. And people ask me often, how do I get my business going? And so I often wonder, is the goal to make money, or is it really your passion to be a business owner? I wonder what the goal is, because in 2023 there are so many easier ways to really get that business going fast. So watch this video until the end, because I'm about to show you how. All right, your first step, we want to go to LiveGoodStars.com. Yes, now LiveGood, this is the #1 business that I'm working with right now outside of my real estate firm. Okay, but I just want people to know there's so many ways. I'm helping my team. Okay, our goal is $2,000 to $5,000 every single month consistently. Okay, now this is for the part-timers, because the full-timers in our LiveGood Star team, we are working on 6 and 7 figures, right? So this is absolutely the easiest way that you can start making money right now as a Black woman. This is a great way to start your own business. Okay, now let me show you the inside of LiveGood and why I say that. All right, so first things first. Let me just say this. You are not selling any products. However, well, you can if you want to do it on a large scale, right? You can, but I'm going to just say this here. We know a lot of people who could use Super Reds. Okay, it's great for cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health, brain function. Okay, Super Reds has everything in it to boost circulation, support brain and heart health. I mean, we are all trying to be healthier after what happened 3 years ago. Okay, so but just take a look at the price. This is why LiveGood sells itself. This is why this is the easiest way to start your own business as a Black woman, period. Okay, look at these prices. LiveGood members only pay $18, whereas some of these top products that are competitors for Super Reds are priced at $69 and $39, right? So let me just show you too. Let me show you the pay plan. Let's get straight to the money. Okay. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, I am an online coach. I am a person who has sold ebooks, sold courses, sold coaching programs, all these different things online. However, I enjoy starting my business at LiveGood because it's easier. Okay, what I like best is the products are done for you. Okay, this is similar to drop shipping, so you don't have to have boxes in your basement and in your garage and then shipping products out. You don't have to do any of that. What we are selling here at LiveGood Stars we're selling the memberships, and the memberships is how you get that discount price that I just showed you. Let me take it back again. So the discount price for, let's just take a look now at some CBD oil. All right. So as you can see, LiveGood's price is $18, whereas Green Roads is $89 and Young Living is $79. So we're selling the membership club. It's similar to Costco. It's similar to Sam's Club, but it's only $9.95 a month. All right. How easy could that be for products that people are spending top dollar to buy, right? People are paying top dollar for these products. We're selling the membership club so that they can get a huge, deep discount, right? So now here's the compensation plan. Okay, because at LiveGood, there are 6 different ways to earn income. Okay, they got weekly fast start commissions. All right, so when you're new, you get paid on one level. When you have enrolled 2 people to the membership club, you get paid on 2 levels. Then you get paid on 4, and so on and so forth, right? You'll become a gold, you'll become a platinum, you'll become a diamond. Okay, then the matrix commissions. Okay, look at how deep. You get paid 15 levels deep, right? So once you become a diamond, you'll actually be making $16,000 a month. $16,000 a month. Okay? And again, the membership fee is only $9.95. All right? Matching bonuses. Check this out. Once you are a diamond or a platinum, okay? Look at this. You get paid 5 generations. Retail commissions, you get paid 10 levels. Influencer bonuses and diamond pool. Again, once you become a diamond, you will earn 2% of the company's total sales each and every month. My goodness. Now, like I said, again, this is the easiest way to start a business as a Black woman. And I'm telling you, as a Black woman, I've tried everything. I've tried ebooks. And let me tell you, what I like best about a company like LiveGood is that, when I did a couple ebooks, or I actually did a book, I don't know if you can see it in the background here, but it takes a lot of time and effort, and you got to pay staff to help you. Staff to help you, mailing the packages out. Staff to help you with editing the book. You have to pay companies like Amazon and Lulu. If you do the ebook and the digital books, you have to pay platforms as well. Okay, but at LiveGood, everything is done for you. So let me just show you how to get started. So go to LiveGoodStars.com. Okay, this is how you get started with your own business right now as a Black woman. Okay, you want to go to LiveGoodStars.com. Look at the top. It's going to say you're on Katina Willis's website. You want to watch this short video. It's less than 6 minutes, right? So it's going to tell you how you want to get your free position ASAP. You want to get your position ASAP, which is right here, entering your first name, your last name, your email. The reason you want to get your position ASAP is because, let me just show you, people are enrolling all day. Check this out. You see where it says recent pre-enrollees? You see all these different countries right here? People are enrolling all day. We're getting 2,000 new members at LiveGood every single day. So guess what though? All these people will go after you. They will go after you once you sign up. That's why you want to secure your position ASAP. And you want to become a member, okay? And now, let me just tell you, my first week at LiveGood, I think I made almost $300 my first week at LiveGood. My very first week, hardly doing anything. I just talked about it to a few people, sent a few text messages to a few people, right? And again, because it sells itself. And let's talk about marketing too, because this is another reason that I see a lot of people struggle starting their own business as a Black woman. They don't realize they really need some marketing expertise or experience or a marketing strategist to help them out. But at LiveGood, all the marketing is done for you. Okay, all the follow-up is done for you, right? So that's another beauty about, starting your own business as a Black woman, but, using a company like LiveGood to help you to get further faster, right? So again, let me just show you LiveGood Stars.com. Now let me tell you this too. Now, if you've already seen one of my presentations before, right, and you've pre-enrolled, you want to go to securemyposition.com. And you want to enter the email address that you originally signed up with. If you just pre-enrolled a couple weeks ago, but now you are certain that you are ready to really start your own business as a Black woman, then you want to go to Secure My Position, enter your email address, and become a paid member, right? And let me tell you, scared money don't make money. Let me say that a little closer. Scared money don't make money, okay? Because if you think a $40 startup fee and $9.95 a month is a lot, you certainly can't start any other type of business because I don't know how long you, or if you know me from the past, but the last 2 years, I really helped people to get business credit and to get business funding. The reason I helped is because, having a real estate brokerage and firm, I would spend so much of my personal money building and growing the business. And, you know, the expenses are costly when you're really starting a brick and mortar business, but starting an online business is just so much easier. So go ahead, go to securemyposition.com if you've already enrolled. Okay, if you secured your position a while back but you didn't become a paid member and you're ready, go to securemyposition.com, or just go to LiveGood Stars, goodstars.com. Go to livegoodstars.com, enter your name, reserve your position, and get started. And I have a full training series for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about feeling alone in the business. You don't have to worry about marketing. There's so many advantages for getting started today. Joining my team, I got you. I got your back all the way. I'm not going to sit back and let you fail. So go ahead and get that business started as a Black woman right now. And if it's your first time here on this channel, don't forget, subscribe to that channel. And hey, post any questions or comments you have in the comment section right there. I'm Katina the Broker. See you next time. See you at the top. See you at the top, because that's where we're going. All right. Take care.